morning. Last night I did cupping on my face and I think I definitely did it too hard. Today I wanted to declutter a lot of stuff again because I've accumulated things. I want to be more conscious about what I have in the home, and also it's raining outside. One really big tip that I have in terms of being productive is to put your phone away. I think that is my biggest restrict. I have to put my phone away in another room or in a drawer, and then because out of sight, out of mind. It really does work. I also put away my remote control for my TV. So I'm gonna do laundry, I'm gonna wash dishes, I'm gonna plan. And then there's 3 other side priorities where if I don't hit it, I'm not gonna beat myself up for it. I'm gonna work out, organize, skincare. Yeah, that should be it. Also, caffeine helps. Coffee really does help. So I drink coffee before I start doing everything, and get some coffee or tea if you want, or just any water, warm water. And let's put on some music and let's clean together. Take a break. I'm actually not wearing the same shirt. It looks like I'm wearing the same shirt, but I have 2 of them because Adidas, I think they sent 2 by mistake, and I'm like, why not? They're doing fine. I'm gonna go in with this mist right here from Klairs. I actually refilled it with their daily hydrating water instead of the fundamental mist. And I mist my face right before I blow dry my hair so I can let it sit versus having it dry out. I'm gonna go in with this Amika Supernova Moisture Shine Cream. I'm just gonna mix it with this Innisfree Camellia Oil Serum. This is like a long time staple. I've used this for years now. Can't really call it hair oil because it's silicone based, but I find that silicone is not as heavy as oils, and oils actually like weigh my hair down, and the silicone just gives a little more slip. During the daytime, I don't really use too much. I go very simple. I usually rotate between a vitamin C serum or like a Centella Asiatica serum. I'm gonna go with the Inkeylist 15% vitamin C with EGF. It's very runny, watery like serum. Brighten up the skin along with sunscreen because they boost each other's efficacy, in my humble opinion. If I need extra hydration, I will go with the Snail Mucin Power Essence by CosRx, but today I think I'm okay. I've been using this moisturizer for 2 weeks now. This is the Pharmacy Daily Greens Oil-Free Gel Moisturizer. It is super lightweight. It's new from Pharmacy Beauty, and if you know Pharmacy Beauty, their cleansing balm is so bomb, and this one is amazing as well. So it's kind of like a lightweight gel texture like this. It's very smooth. Very soothing, synthetic fragrance free of mineral oils. It's cruelty free as well, and it just gives a very nice base. You can wear it under makeup, you can wear it under your sunscreen, and at nighttime, if I want to be really fast and simple yet effective, I will go in with just this moisturizer. This contains papaya enzymes, which is great for exfoliating and also softening the skin. It contains moringa extract for antioxidants. I think it contains willow herb, which helps inflammation and all that. It also contains cucumber to soothe the skin, and most importantly, it contains niacinamide, which you guys know help brighten up the skin, help the appearance of really large pores over time. So I really enjoy this. So it contains a couple of different types of sodium hyaluronate, so it's great for like hydrating the skin. I have oily combination type skin, so a gel type moisturizer is really perfect, especially these days when it's raining a lot in LA. I don't need anything too heavy. This one is amazing. So if you have like acne prone skin, you just need hydration but you don't want to feel like all-occlusive balm-like. This is really great. For sunscreen, I really like this one, the Purito Centella Green Level Unscented version. I still wear sunscreen every day at home because my windows at home are really, really big. I'm just gonna go over. If I don't wear makeup, I still will definitely do my skincare. That's a must for me. Usually I will wear tinted moisturizer, just a little bit, but today I think I'm okay because I'm gonna clean. I think I'm going to just chill for a little bit and then start on laundry soon. Social distancing thing will be till June. So I'm just trying to make my space as comfortable as I can. I'm just honestly trying to make the most of the space. I drew last night too. I'm really, really thankful that I have a house over my head, you know? That is actually Rihanna in the issue of Vogue in 2015. Her shoots in China are always like really, really amazing. I need to clean up this entire area right here because, you know, those sketches, erasers. I think one of the biggest issues that I have with my space are like cords. They make everything look so messy. But I got these like little cord ties and I'll see if we can kind of like consolidate these cords a little bit because this is, yeah, this is. I put the wires behind the TV, which I think looks a lot better. So that was good. Sometimes it just takes a little bit of time to organize stuff. It's not amazing, but it's a lot better than before. Nice. So I can actually put something there, or I can push this back slightly cleaner. Looks. The wires are like bane of my existence. Having leftovers from yesterday, I ordered from this place called $5 Salad in LA, and I think they donate another. Like if you buy a meal, they donate a meal or something like that. I usually just watch shows with strong female leads. I think like 30 Rock. I love 30 Rock. The Mindy Project, Parks and Rec, Unbreakable. They're all comedies. I guess I just like to mask my pain with laughter. I stopped to play a game of League and they have a mode where it's one for all. So all the champions on your team will be the same champions, which is really, really fun. I just had to take a break. A reason why I'm really bad at carrying up my space and decorating, I've watched a lot of vlogs where people decorate their bedrooms and they buy stuff and they pin up photos and fairy lights and all that, and that all seems really sweet. Fun. I think I just moved so much in the last 10 years that I've been in America. I moved 8 times and I didn't know the effect that it had on me, that I don't really care for my space that much, because when you're moving a lot, working so much, it's constantly in survival mode, the last thing you want to think of is if I have time to put up my, I don't know, my art. Definitely since this social distancing, I had some time to think about, even though it's temporary, I should still make my space feel like me. It's part of expressing who I am in my space. And I mean, back then I used to live with roommates too, so I didn't really have the space, I guess, to do, like, to express myself. So a lot of the furniture you see is very clean and minimal because I don't know how else I really don't know how else to decorate it. I'm like, wow, I'm actually a really messed up person inside. Right, Meow Meow? I got a bunch of clothes from ASOS. I got more tights and also just workout shirts because I've been working out a lot and I'm going through them really quick. I got some tights too. These are like tattoo print tights. I mean, they look black, you can't really tell. I also got this serum from Meowed, which is the Sem, which makes the Ordinary. This one's a bit more pricey. But it's a copper amino isolate serum, and I think I've seen a lot of people use it. I think Gothamista is the one that, wow, the package is broken. Doesn't matter. Copper iron serum, which helps with, I think, collagen formation and just overall tenacity of the skin. Comes in 2 pieces actually. Interesting. You just mix it together and then it becomes a serum. I'm not gonna do this now, but I will do it later. My Quip toothbrush is out of batteries, so I have to get new refills. $5 for toothbrushes, pretty reasonable. That's electronic, and they give you the batteries too and free shipping, so I'm just gonna do that.
Please enter the last 4 digits of your social security number using your credit or debit card. Press 1.
We're gonna do a workout on house party.
Sexy back and abs workout.
Yep. 10 minutes. Okay. Got some pots planners from CB2. They're actually really cheap. They're like $6.
Ew. That's so cute.
I know, right? Let me put in a plant. Oh my god!
That's so cute.
Cute, right? I think
You
it's
just add a tray inside, like a plastic tray inside, so you can still water it.
Oh yeah.
And the tray catches it.
This one's pink! Fiona
I'm
Pink
sad there's no
Plunger.
like drainage holes in it. It would have been perfect.
I know, right? Oh, I actually fixed my fridge the other day though.
Oh, fridge?
So the back drainage thing wasn't working, so the water was pooling on the bottom. So I actually took it apart and thawed it.
Whoa.
I know, boy, my dad will be so proud.
Also, if you don't have a tray, you can just stick like something underneath that you don't care about getting wet.
Oh, like napkins or
Like a makeup jar or something, like a tin or something to like keep it above the base.
Like a candle lid or something?
Yeah, anything.
Yeah.
Cute.
yeah. And then this one. They're called philodendrons. Philodendron. I really like them. I haven't tried Zoom, but we should try it.
I've never tried Zoom either.
The professionals are using it, so it might be good. That's how you know we don't work from home. We only use house party.
If house party was meant for corporate use, it wouldn't be called house
House
party.
party. It's like, you guys want to get a house party?
One of my friends was like, "Oh, we're not on Zoom. We're using WebEx still." And I was like, "WebEx? Like?"
I've never even heard of WebEx.
90s.
I used to use Tiny Chat and Stick'em. How's work and stuff?
It's good.
Alright, bye.
Okay.
Text me.
Bye.
Bye.
Ivan, you just missed out on taking shots.
Oh, it's okay. I'm already buzzed. What's up, guy?
Are we gonna play League?
I'm drinking whiskey tonight. I'm gonna paint my nails first, so probably half an hour.
It's okay, we're quarantined until May anyway.
For now.
I put on this mask. I showed you guys this one in my last video. It's the Kosei, the 30-day brightening tranexamic acid mask. Oh my gosh. Meow Meow's just like running around crazy. So we're gonna finish laundry. Honestly, I should rest, but I kind of really want to just import all these and upload it for you guys. But it is also Saturday night here. Feels weird to be just at home alone. I don't know. It's nice sometimes because I had a like house party calls with friends when we ate together. That was really, really fun. Definitely been taking going out for granted. I want to go out more and just enjoy life. This really makes me so restless. I don't know. I hope you guys are doing okay. I don't know how you guys are. Come here. Come here. Come here. I was just looking at tattoo accounts today. And I think I'm gonna get like a sleeve. I miss my friends. I miss like hugging. Yeah. I might also maybe write some poems and journal tonight. But I'm not gonna be so hard on myself because I think like I have done capacity wise, mentally I've done quite a lot. I really did try to. This is the most productive I've been in like a week. So if you're not doing any of these, like don't worry, like I don't do it all the time either. I just really wanted to clean up my space. But I will. Cheers to you guys. Cheers with you. Right, Meow Meow? Right? Cheers.